What's up friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check copyright claims on Instagram. So once you have your Instagram account open guys, all you have to do is just simply click on your profile on the lower right hand side, then click the three lines on the uppermost right hand side. From here you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom till you see account status. Click on that. Then the first option in the list is remove content, so you want to click on that. And if you have any copyright issue, you will be able to see them within the list here. Now, how do you go about appealing it? If you have a copyright issue here, you should be able to click on that and go ahead and appeal from there. However, you can always click and learn more about our community guidelines. And from here, you can use the search to simple type in something like Instagram copyright appeal form. Then it go and you should be able to search. Now you'll have a few results here. You can use the first one. How do I appeal the remove of content on Instagram for copyright reasons? Click on that. And you want to go down to the second bulletin point where you have that highlighted this form. Click on that. From here, you will have the form. So you can simply click on this radio button that says, I understand and wish to continue. And you can go ahead and continue to fill out this form. And this is the Instagram copyright appeal form. Hope you found this useful guys, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. I really appreciate that. And if you've seen the channel for the first time, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release another tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much and see you next time.